welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. And now, Maxine is always troubling Lorraine's camp. And there is something else happening in Lorraine's camp. There is this lady now. She's really furious. She's talking up the things, and she is, calling for Michelle to come out and address her because she is ready to answer Michelle. And as you know, Michelle is one of Lorraine's friends or platform holder, that supports Lorraine. So that is where it is. And this lady is furious. She's going out, up and above, and she's ready to answer to Michelle. So go catch this video for yourself, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Anyone who want to jump on it, go ahead and jump on it. Call Dotty Nasty 72 Michelle Bradshaw.
Like I do. Tell her to come the fuck over here and come tell me to my face that me is a dirty blood clot rasta.
Come to the human face, Michelle.
I don't like what I said when it came to Donegal and the shit thing, and because I spoke about it. Because I spoke about it, you guys thought.
Calm down, lady. Calm down. Calm down.
She's turning. Listen to what she's saying.
No, you're not turning. You're just talking the
But you
truth.
take the blood clot live video. You take the live video, Lorraine. You take the video and you go play it because you didn't like what I was saying when it came to Donegal. But you took that video because you thought what? That I was turning? Fuck you, I wasn't turning nowhere. I'm a woman and I can say what I need to say if I don't like what I hear and me want to chat about it, that's what I do. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm addressing your stinking dirty friend named Baron Michelle to come ask her to come on the platform to come blood clot address. Where she know me from for I can't be dirty.
Lady, she not coming over there. I give you $100. She not come over there to come answer you because you clearly is intelligent. Michelle no cuss with intelligent people. Rasta, listen to me. Michelle no cuss with intelligent people. Because all Michelle know if you do is send you up under your mama, papa, sister and brother. Michelle no know not more. All Michelle know how to do is to clean out the office 12 o'clock at night time she start work. 12 o'clock she cannot be there when nobody is there. So me hear you say how she say good morning to the lawyers them in there. No. She and the lawyers them don't meet up. She cannot meet up with the lawyers them because she have to empty the garbage. She's a garbage girl. That the garbage girl, she not working in a law office, she won't be working there to clean the garbage. Michelle, the lady call you, you can't come on my page because you're under here in your fake page. The whole of no under here and no fake page. Call Dotty 72 Michelle. Call Dotty Nasty 72 Michelle. What can't have no pitney, what piss never bun grass. He bun him, mommy tell him so, same piss no bun grass. Then me know, so they watch me so you know. Yes, then watch me. 72 Michelle, Rasta call you, palm me page, come.
Stop. Good with our stinking, dirty, polluted vagina that can't push out a fucking baby. Fuck you, you bitch. You and your pop down camp. You and your untrue talk camp. Your untrue talk camp. You know, say, God, I work part uno. Yeah, let's call God in this for just 2 seconds, because I ain't really got to deal with you as a dirty rasta, but I can throw my father on you like I've been doing it, and you see all the camp I disintegrate. Don't include me in all the friggery because I don't belong to the untrue talk camp. You're all the betrayers, you're all talking about each other, and you, Michelle, you got more to lose than anybody else. Because when Lorraine and Bobby done with you, Michelle Bradshaw, when they finish with you, no more platform for you. The whole of Uno have on a secret. The whole of Uno have on a dirty secret. But yeah, call me dirty Rasta. Is stinking dirty looking Michelle Bradshaw. Not even on your worst day could you look like me, be me, anything. represent yourself because you is one ugly, smugly looking black woman. You stinking Baroness Bradshaw.
Lady, she can't show herself. Nobody know what she look like.
Call her over here.
Me call her already. Me call her for you. Me call her for you, lady. Lady, listen to me. She can't show herself. Have you ever seen her in real life? Lady, she can't show herself. We can't show ourselves. That's how beautiful we are. She can't show for herself. Maxine, you are very beautiful. Hold on there. Let me read some people. They give me compliments here, man. Hold on there. Hold on there. Maxine, you are very beautiful. I am sincere saying this. I know. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. I have some new people over here this morning. Thank you. Very nice dancing move at this time of the morning. Oh yes. Thank you so much. Okay, let me get back to Rasta for life. Enough compliments for me. My head is swelling. Oh my God. Rasta, give it to her. Rasta, give it to her. And anybody who come after your Rasta, give it to them too. Give it to them.
Bradshaw, because she are called Rasta. Dirty Rasta, when is a dirty Baroness can't have no picnic, bitch. How you like that?
You not like it?
You see like how me pass my exam them? You see like how me I got school and edifying the brain, and like how me pass my class, then I feel so proud to me pass my class, me test them. You think you when you're like a stinking barren self can come now and exalt yourself with me? You can try to exalt yourself, but me, the naughty Rasta, nah, make it happen. Call that bitch over here.
Me call her.
Bradshaw.
Me call her already.
Alcoholic, barren bitch.
Me call her already, lady.
Kia Rose, you know what's insensitive? When you can't have any children, it'll be you. Good? So when you know you can't have children and you on social media, be nice. Because us Jamaican black women will done your for you.
Text me on the other phone.
And especially when you come after others and call them names, Kia, on social media, Kia. Stop talking about insensitive, Kia, because not insensitivity have nothing to do with this, Kia. This is a name-calling event, Kia. You know how stupid people on this platform, Kia. We might carry on a little mixy and messy, Kia. But me is not nobody dirty Rasta. I mean, I met nobody call me that on social media and get the fuck away with it when they think they can. So Michelle, stinking Baroness, blood clot, Bradshaw, me I wait upon you on I'm a Rasta for life, stinking, dirty, polluted womb. Anybody call your mommy? Anybody call your mommy? Me have 3 pitney that love them mama. Me have 3 pitney that love them mama. And when they say mommy, it just make me feel so good. Mommy, 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 mom, mommy, mommy, mommy. You never get that. You will never get that. Never get that, bitch. You see why you will never get that? Because of your disposition of how you are on life and on earth. Who would want you, dirty Michelle, to be their mother? I don't think no child ever would want you to be their mommy. So are you up there calling people dirty Rasta and you don't associate with dirty Rasta?
Rasta, come here, Rasta. Let me give you this a nice little party, Rasta. You know Stewie. You know Stewie pan Family Guy, right? Mama, mommy, mother. She will never hear that kind of annoying sound. She will never. Mother, mommy. That's what Omar used. He was, you know, me call Omar nickname as Stewie. Omar nickname as Stewie. You know, oh Stewie got on Family Guy. Mother, mommy. A pure bad word me used to cuss. Yes. For those of you who don't watch Stewie, go watch Stewie. For Family Guy. Mother, Maxine, mommy. A pure that me used to hear. I used to tired of it. A cuss pure dirty bad word. So lady, yes, she not gonna know.
Don't associate with barren bitches.
No, I don't.
I only associate with women who's fertile and can breed and have picnic. Good, cause you are.
They've played with YouTube.
Version of the what? Ulok. You barren bitch.
Yes. Them a play with the YouTube.
I ain't got class until 6 p.m. I go to school, bitch. I work, bitch. I'm a nurse, bitch. I'm getting educated more, bitch.
Yes.
So what's your problem, you barren
Yes.
bitch?
Baron Bish. Bish.
Call Michelle Bradshaw over
Me
here.
call her, man.
Live Michelle Bradshaw over me.
Me
to
call
the-
her a long
Toe
time.
to toe. Got this dirty rasta. I can show you, say, anywhere to see you, Michelle Bradshaw. Anywhere to see you.
Yes.
2220.
Yes. Make bad girl Michelle come out now.
Because you call me a dirty rasta, and I don't like it, right? Because you're not clean like me, bitch. Your womb is not cleaner than mine. You don't see that?
No.
You know, sister, you have a polluted womb.
Yes, she does.
Fuck you calling a dirty rasta.
Come on, Rasta.
Pollution.
Come on, Rasta.
You dumb bitch.
Yes, Rasta. Give it to her. Enough.
Fucking right on this Tuesday morning. It's a good thing me not have work today.
Today, Tuesday,
It's a
today,
good
Wednesday.
thing
Oh, I
me
lost
have
my
chemistry
today.
class. Me chemistry class, college level, today. So me know what you call dirty bitch, barren, polluted, dirty womb that can't carry a clean, nice baby.
Can't carry nothing. Can't even carry a dog.
10 pounds, you barren bitch.
He can't even carry a dog. Wow.
Listen, my life is low already, okay? A couple of you guys know. You see, when I get pissed off, you know what's up, right? You know I go box wild when I get angry. So this is a version of me going buck wild for Michelle Baroness, wombless, can't breed, Bradshaw, who thinks that people
Thank you, Anne-Marie.
and our friend Lorraine. This year one, yeah. No fear that you're gonna see on the broad.
Yes, he broad for true.
Right? I'll fuck you up, bitch.
Yeah, fuck her up. Fuck her the hell up.
So you make your little live, and you come live, and you have me as a discussion today, or tomorrow, or whenever. Somebody lets you know I'm calling up your name, and we can do this, barren bitch. About you don't know me. You and Lorraine don't know me from nowhere. And Lorraine, keep quiet as you're saying it. You see, you Lorraine,
That's how she stay.
afraid of Michelle.
That's how she
You
stay.
tell Michelle, well, no, you know,
Like up the live, people. Come on. Give me some thumbs up.
say nothing.
Come on, Facebook and YouTube. Look how me get up and be this morning and out Facebook and YouTube. Come on, man. No, see how me look fresh and nice.
Reason why I came
Come on, man.
after you per se, you never tell her. You didn't tell your
I have
friend.
something
There's
special
nothing
for you
to
guys
tell
today.
your
Like up the live, man.
There's
This
another
morning.
thing keeping from Michelle.
Hey.
Shit.
You pretty.
This dirty rasta have nothing to do with it, and all I'll be doing is sitting back like everybody else, eating my popcorn, have my red wine or champagne, and I laugh after the whole of the tree of
Good morning, Anne-Marie. Good morning.
See, to the rest of the song if anybody know. They all ran down to the wherever, and they all
Three blind mice.
and all them
Let me sing it for you. Three blind mice. Three blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. They all went fast to the farmer's now to cut out the neck with the farmer's. Three blind mice. Three blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. They all went fast to cut out the neck with the farmer's knife. Three blind mice. That's the song. And the three blind mice, them over there for two.
blind mice. Two blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. And then we do that again. And then definitely one blind mice. One blind mice. Listen. Bravo.
Good morning, my Rebecca. Good morning, Solomon. My belly gone. Yeah. You should, you should. Yes.
Where the coffee there?
Not drink the coffee yet, man. The coffee go make you too mellow.